Hello, mate. What's occurring?
My dad's coming.
What happened?
I didn't turn enough on the curb, I hit it there.
Oh, you turned out the junction into the curb?
I came from there, I wasn't going slow enough, I think, and I didn't turn enough, so I hit it and slid across.
Oh, wow.
Nice bike.
Look at that.
Yeah, I think I need a new front wheel.
I think you might need a new wheel, yeah.
The back of it's fine.
How is that even possible? I've got to have a look at this. Wow. I'm impressed, bud. That has sheared all the way around on every spoke. Wow.
My CVT on the 8th of August.
I'm stunned, but I can't believe you can rip the whole front out of the wheel just by hitting that curb.
I fell over and stuff. I don't know what happened.
Wow. Yeah, you had all your kit on?
Yeah.
You're not hurt?
Fine, but just my arm.
Well, do you know what? Any accident you get up from and you're okay, all is well. Forget the bike. And yeah, perhaps have a look at a second-hand Honda CG or something like that. Get something like Honda or Yamaha, because I promise you, I've been riding for 20 years or something and I have never seen anything like that.
Some Chinese rip-off.
I was made of Play-Doh or something. Wow, at least you're alright, bud.
I'm fine.
Alright, mate, that's good. Look after yourself, alright?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, we were going that way, weren't we? But it's a bit too late now.
Yeah, we'll just go forward and figure it out. Have you ever seen anything like that? He's had a minor off at, what, 20 or 30 mile an hour perhaps on that roundabout. And that entire wheel was disintegrated. Every spoke on that wheel was snapped clean off.
I don't like to hate on any brands. However,
That is unbelievable.
It's just, I would say that's still not good enough.
You buy a bike like that for 1,500, 2 grand or whatever, and that is a cheap way of getting about. It's far cheaper than a bus ticket or whatever, you know, and it's a good thing to start out on, but you know, the compromise is massive.
It's a good looking bike.
Well,
Just not made very well.
Ah, shocking. Anyway, good morning and welcome back to the channel. We're on day 2 of our little trip and we are heading down towards Bournemouth, aren't we? We're going to a new bikers cafe.
Are we going to S-Bomb now?
No.
Are we not?
No, we're not.
I thought you put the sat nav for S-Bomb.
So our videos and days are obviously meticulously planned, as you can see.
Yes.
Yeah.
We need to go towards Poole now, not straight on, because S-Bomb is in Poole Harbour.
Yeah, but we can do S-Bomb on the way home, babe.
No, we can't. Can we?
Yeah, trust me. Yeah, I do directions, you do communications.
Okay.
So we are going to, I think it's called Bournemouth, and I believe it's called the Old Boys Motorcycle Cafe or something. But it looks like a really interesting, cool place, so we're heading off there, and you can join us when we get there. Welcome to the Old Boys Cafe and Bar. Right, we've just arrived at the Old Boys Bar and Cafe in Bournemouth. Is it Christchurch Road?
Yes.
I don't know, you have to look it up. It's another really hot, sunny day, so we're going to go inside and show you guys around, show you what's here.
Really sunny. Let's go.
Wow, look at this. It's like a proper old garage in here, isn't it? In fact, they're obviously doing maintenance on some probably custom bikes and stuff.
Yeah, I think you can get your keys cut and all that sort of small stuff as well.
Yeah, I haven't looked it up.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, people here playing pool and eating and drinking coffee, and yeah, very cool. Let's have a look around. Royal Enfield 350.
I want to ride one of those.
What's this, a Buell, I think, isn't it? I have ridden one of these Royal Enfields there. There was a lot of vibration on that one. But that's all part of it, I guess. couple of jigsaws. Fancy one of those?
I think this is too small for it. It looks like a...
I can't see you on that.
No. I can't see me.
You'd be like you're riding a child's bike. Proper Bandit 1200. So this is interesting. I forget what the brand is called on this. But they're basically copies of the Triumphs, a cheaper version of the Triumph Bonneville engines. And yeah, forget what they're called. Very cool looking, and that's your option if you're on a budget. We have a chopped Bandit there. Somebody's taken the rear end off that one. Made something a bit cool with it. And another Bandit. Very popular, these Bandits. I've had, I don't know, 3 600s and a 1200, something like that. CBF 125 here. That's what that lad could have done with this morning. I bet those wheels wouldn't snap like that. Get on the real bike.
I can push my own bike around, can I?
Ooh. Bet your boyfriend does that for you.
Of course not. I wouldn't let you. It's the pride thing.
Yeah, good for you.
I think I'll ask for help if I really needed it.
Okay, ready?
Follow you.
I have no idea if we got left or right. It'll be the other way for sure.
I think it would be right.
Alright, let's go right. We come from left. Let's see what's down here. Ready? It was, of course, the other way.
Was it?
Every time. Every time.
Maybe it's
That's
going to
right,
reroute.
Yeah, it's already done that. We can go at these
Is it?
lights. Yeah. Right, good. Well, that was the Old Boys Cafe. So the next one, some of you guys may be more familiar with and has actually starred on the BBC. And they had a series about what's been going on there,
I
didn't
have
they?
watched it, but that was months ago. I don't remember much about it.
So that should be quite interesting. So it's only about 10 miles between Bournemouth and Poole, which is where the next bike cafe is. So we're going to head along there, and hopefully you'll join us when we get there. Extremely lucky this weekend. Yesterday was really hot and sunny, and once again today really hot and sunny. Bike's reading 28 degrees air temperature today. We are looking for the next bike cafe, which is S-Bomb. Oh, here we go, there's some signs here. What does that say? Left, I think it's down the back here, babe. What's down the boat? Yes. That was lucky, wasn't it? Saw that just in time.
Right by the water.
Oh, there's a few bikes, it's a good sign. As far as bike locations go, this is pretty cool, isn't it? Some nice bikes here with some really nice boats knocking around as well. They look like they're having a hard day, don't they?
I feel sorry for them, don't you?
Oh yeah.
I'd rather be on the bike.
I would, to be fair. I would be bored with that in about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Very nice though.
Stunning.
It is proper hot today. You're wishing you brought your mesh jacket, ain't you?
No, I'm alright.
Oh yeah. I wish I had a mesh jacket today. But we shan't moan. The last week or so it's been raining here all the time, and I just spend all my time moaning about the British weather, and then when it's hot like this, we spend all our time moaning it's hot, so yeah, what can you do?
Anyway, nothing else planned for today, but we're going to go and chase some adventure.
Yeah, so I know some really nice little spots around here actually.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you a couple of cool things, and we're going to follow the coast road home, and it's going to be a stunning ride today, so come along with us and I'll show you what's about.
Probably going to take us the rest of the day to ride home.
Always, this is the best bit, the bit that's unscheduled and unplanned. Always the best time, isn't it?
Yeah, see what we can find.
Yeah. Let's get on the bikes.
Guess what? My bike says 45 degrees.
I can't be right. Just because the thermometer's been sat baking in the sun.
Wait, I need a picture of that. That's it, S-bomb done from the checklist of biker cafes.
We've hit a lot of bike cafes now. It'd be great if you guys know of any biker cafes that you guys like and know to be good, then drop them in the comments, and we'll try to go visit as many as we can. This tiny car, I think it's possibly a Morris, I'm not sure, has come all the way from Germany. Hello. Right, the roundabout.
I've got a wasp.
You okay? Need to stop?
No, I got it out.
Hold on.
God, it was about to climb. You know, when my sun visor is, because it hit me, it hit my helmet, and then just was clinging on and moving up.
Ooh.
Gosh. Last thing you want, it's a wasp sting.
So up ahead is we have the remains of Corfe Castle. We're on the Isle of Purbeck. That is just stunning to look at, isn't it? We are so lucky in this country to have places like this that still exist. It's like going back in time. I've lived in the UK all my life, and there's so many little places like this that I still haven't visited. And it feels like once you get off of the main roads, especially around this area, particularly around Dorset, every village looks like this.
Maybe this is why I like UK so much, because I can see and notice all these pretty little places. But I don't really have this where I come from in Poland.
Any reason why we turn left? You know where we're going?
My sat-nav is taking me here.
Oh yeah? No, go left here.
Left where?
Yeah, left here. Yeah.
Anyway, this is
take next left.
exactly why you supposed to be leading, not me. This is someone's house, I think.
Yeah, Yui. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right as well.
Yeah.
So my first ride last year when I passed my test was to this car park.
That's right.
Was there like 3 hours non-stop, wasn't it?
Very first ride out with a group, wasn't it? About 40 of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good ride.
Right, welcome to Lulworth Cove, World Heritage Site, where they do provide free motorcycle parking.
Look, that GS is from Switzerland.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, we just scrambled into this cafe. We just done a ride here. I don't know, on a bike, what, an hour or so or something. But it has gotten really hot. Really hot today.
I'm melting.
We've got no water or nothing with us, so we're both dying. So we're just scrambling. I've just literally walked into the cafe, necked the bottle right out the fridge, and then got another bottle. So, but here we are anyway, Lulworth Cove. So we're just going to grab something to eat quickly, and then we'll show you about. So,
Yeah.
this, as it goes, is Durdle Bay. We were talking about that just now on the bikes, and you can walk down all the way from the top where the car park is, all the way down the steps, and you can see Durdle there, the rockery bit.
Yeah, that's right next door.
So it's a really nice place to go, but it's a bit of a hike to get down there.
I'm not up for that.
It's far too hot for that today. Yeah. I've spent literally the last few weeks moaning that it never stops raining in this country and we can't go anywhere. And then today, flick a switch, it is hot.
Exactly. Amazing. That's what you were waiting for.
Something else to moan about. Day like today, it's hard to believe you're still in the UK, isn't it? It does go to show that there is plenty of touring and stuff to be done here, but you have to get it when the weather's good, don't you?
Yeah.
That is the problem. It's not guaranteed here, but when you get it right, days like this is fantastic. I mean, have a look around.
Perfect Sunday.
So nice to be back on the bike.
Yes.
Get a bit of a breeze going. It was very hot and very busy there, but absolutely stunning. The views along here is just awesome, isn't it? What a day for it. You probably can't pick it up on the camera, but we can see right down along the Jurassic Coast. See for miles.
So we've got, what, 46 miles home?
Yeah. Question is, do we do the long scenic route or do we do the quick road home and see nothing?
Always the longer way. Always.
Long scenic route, absolutely. So we'll carry on and we'll do some more coast roads. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's ride.
Thanks for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed. Give us a like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time on our next video. Thanks for joining. Bye.
Ride safe.